notice it's gotten a little bit messy. I'm going to make a cleanup chart to help me remember what to clean without being asked. To do that, I need something to write on and something to write with. I'm going to write on a dry erase board, and I'm going to write with a dry erase marker. So the first thing I need to do is figure out how many rooms in my house need to be cleaned. The living room's pretty messy, the bedroom's pretty messy, and the kitchen's pretty messy. That's 1, 2, 3. So I divided my whiteboard into 1, 2, 3 boxes, one for each room. I have 2 columns, one for the room and one for the person who's responsible to clean it. I'm going to draw a picture in each box to remind me which room I'm thinking about. So the first one is for my living room. I'm going to draw a couch because I have a couch in my living room. Give it some arms, a spot to sit on, some legs, and then for the bedroom, I'm going to draw a bed because that's where I sleep. And then for the kitchen, I'll draw a pan because that's where I cook. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to think about whose job it is to clean. It's my job, teacher Cate. It's teacher Kelly's job, teacher Kelly, and teacher Elizabeth's job. I'm going to write the first letter of each of our names in one of those boxes. So let's see, teacher Cate. What letter makes that sound? The letter C. The bedroom. Teacher Kelly is going to clean the bedroom. Hey, same sound. But it's kind of tricky. It's a different letter. The letter K. And teacher Elizabeth will clean the kitchen. Elizabeth. The letter E. There's our cleanup chart. Next time one of these rooms gets messy, we'll know whose job it is to clean it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna go play somewhere else. Fine, I guess I have to clean this up because I share the space with other people. Let's go check the cleanup chart. These drawings are a little silly, but I tried my best. I see a couch for the living room, a bed for the bedroom, and a pan for the kitchen. Let's see whose job is which. I see a C for teacher Cate. That's me. Okay, looks like I'll be cleaning up the mess in the living room. A K for Kelly, and an E for Elizabeth. How can I make this fun? I have an idea. Slippery fish, cleaning in the water. Slippery fish, clean, clean. Oh no, he got eaten by a no. Octopus, cleaning in the water. Octopus, go. Oh no, no. He got eaten by a great white shark. Great white shark, cleaning in the water. Great white shark. Go. Oh no, he got eaten by a no. Humongous whale, cleaning in the water. Humongous whale. Go. Okay, I'm gonna stand up and put my binoculars on and make sure I got everything. Looks good. Teacher Kelly, it's your turn.
Oh, I don't want to clean my room. It's not fun. Oh. Maybe. I wonder if I could clean my room in 2 minutes. I'm gonna make it a race. Okay. I'm gonna take it on my phone and set a timer for 2 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. I have to put away all my dirty clothes and put it in my hamper. Okay, ready? I'm gonna press start. So 1, 3, 2, 1. I did it! I did it in 2 minutes, guys.
Hey everyone, so I'm standing next to the cleanup schedule and I'm going to use a marker to make an X over the area that has already been cleaned. So I know Teacher Cate already cleaned up the living room, so I'm going to make a big X over the couch. And I know that Teacher Kelly cleaned up the bedroom, so I'm going to make a big X over the bed. And now I see a pot that represents the kitchen, and next to the pot is the letter E, and the E is for Teacher Elizabeth. So I know I need to clean the kitchen next. So I know cleaning can be pretty boring, but I did see Teacher Cate sing the Slippery Fish song, and I did see Teacher Kelly race against a 2-minute timer to clean up the bedroom to make it fun. So I'm going to sing We Are the Dinosaurs to make cleanup fun. And instead of singing We Are Marching, I'm going to sing We Are Cleaning. All right, let's go. We are the dinosaurs cleaning, cleaning. We are the dinosaurs. What do you think of that? We are the dinosaurs cleaning, cleaning. We are the dinosaurs. We make our homes clean. We make our homes clean. We stop and eat our food when we're in the mood. We stop and eat our food on the ground. We stop and eat our food when we're in the mood. We stop and eat our food and then we clean around. We are the dinosaurs cleaning, cleaning. We are the dinosaurs. What do you think of that? We are the dinosaurs cleaning, cleaning. We are the dinosaurs. We make our homes clean. We make our homes clean. We stop and take a rest over in our nest. We stop and take a rest at the end of the day. We stop and take a rest over in our nest. We stop and take a rest, and then you'll hear us say, we are the dinosaurs cleaning, cleaning. We are the dinosaurs. What do you think of that? We are the dinosaurs cleaning, cleaning. We are the dinosaurs. We make our homes clean. We make our homes clean. And then we roar. 'Cause we are the dinosaurs. Well, I'm done cleaning the kitchen, so now I get to make a big X over the pot. And our cleaning schedule is complete. We're done. Hope to see you guys soon.